Let's try doing a still video. Then when I get home, I'll go movie maker. I'll edit it. This. When I get home, I'm gonna go movie maker and edit all these videos and put it into in a single clip. In a single clip.
Take mine. Nah.
I'm going to iMovie like during lunch so I can edit all these videos. No, but I have it on my phone, but I actually have a Windows piece. I already have it on my phone. My computer only is Windows. I like Windows better than the freaking Macintosh because they don't use, I don't know what graphics is used.
Try not to vibrate that much.
Because that's Tourette's, so it makes my hand shake. Alright, are we ready?
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, we're waiting for rocket Carlos San Francisco to launch as being featured on iMovie. And also I'll put it on my YouTube account so everybody can see it.
No!
What happened? I only put video, I won't say it private. So maybe I might set it on, I might put on YouTube, it's my choice, but I have to act, I always skip. You ever heard about, it's all the videos I actually record, it's not even somebody else's videos, trust me.
Let's go, guys, ready? Hey, 2, 1. Go!
Alright, we're going to do the launching.
I can see the colors collide.